Hi, this is Joel Crosby, board member of the Authentic Pilates Union and owner of Vitality Method Studio. I just wanted to take a moment to talk about some of the great things that we have coming up in 2019. One of the biggest things that the APU will be doing now is instituting an arrangement that's called an Active Pilates Union Instructor. So we believe that the best teachers are also students. And the best investment that you can make is in yourself and in your education. Continuing education is important to keep your teaching skills sharp and maintain your passion for Pilates, because you give so much of yourself to your clients. Continuing education is also important for building a strong, authentic Pilates community. So as an Authentic Pilates Union active instructor, what do you have to do, and what does that entail? Well, first you need to become a member of the APU, and you can join at theapu.org. We're a nonprofit organization, and you need to keep that renewed every year. Also, you need to send in a copy of your comprehensive Pilates certification to the APU, and you can scan it in or take a picture with your phone, so we have that. And provide proof of at least 12 hours of continuing education in the past 2 years. Now, the continuing education, what's interesting about our organization, that's wonderful, I think, is that no matter what training you go to for your continuing education, as long as it is an authentic classical Pilates based class or workshop, it's recognized by us. So we don't try to just isolate the rest of the Pilates community. If there are good classical Pilates instructors that you're getting education from, those all count. So you'll just send a copy of your workshop certificate, if there was a certificate, or a sales receipt and the hours that workshop was, and those will be credited toward your Authentic Pilates Union Active Instructor certification. Or recognition, rather. So the credits are going to be per hour. So for example, a 2-hour workshop would be 2 continuing education credits. A 3-hour workshop would be 3 continuing education credits. And again, they can be from any Pilates organization that is teaching classical or authentic Pilates. If you're a newly comprehensively certified Pilates instructor from a classical school, then you can send that in to become an Authentic Pilates Union active instructor. And then from then on, you'll just need to get your CEC requirements over the next 2 years. So that will qualify you to become an APU active instructor. Well, what are some of the benefits of becoming an active instructor? For one, you'll get recognition by an amazing peer group that you are continuing your education, keeping your skills sharp. Some of the other more tangible benefits is you'll be recognized, you'll be listed on the APU website as an active instructor. We'll have a directory on the website that people can refer to, so you can put your name, your address, your studio website on there as well. It'll be one more place where people can find you in search engines, and it'll be a reliable source for people to find Pilates instructors. You'll get a frameable certificate that you can mount, as well as the website recognition. There's also some discounts you'll get. You can get 5% off from Gratz for being an APU member. You can get 10% off from Lineage Pilates, their equipment. You can get 10% off from Vitality Method, the equipment that we sell here. Also, you can get a 30-day free trial from Pilatesology. There's member-to-member discounts for workouts. If you're traveling somewhere, you want to work out with another APU member, you can do that. Also, there'll be discounts on continuing education events that will offer credits for your Authentic Pilates Union active instructor continuing education. Also, you can post any local events you're having, any trainings you're having on the APU Facebook members page. So it'll be a place you can network. And again, you're not locked into any one organization's CECs, which is wonderful. And that's because we're a nonprofit organization, and we find it an honor to keep Joe's work alive, and that is our primary motivation. Also, you'll have the opportunity to network with many other instructors that have the same goal of maintaining the legacy and authentic work of Joe Pilates. So join the APU now. It's theapu.org. Send in your certificate and send in your continuing education credits, and you can be a recognized Authentic Pilates Union active instructor. Also, all of this information will be in print on the theapu.org website, so you can read about it and get more details as to how to become an active instructor through the APU. We look forward to working with you as a member of the APU. Thank you.